Hey everyone, it's Elaine. I just wanted to give you an update on my she shed / art studio, and let me see if I can do this. My fingers right there is one little hint of something that has been done. Yep, wires have been run. So let's go inside and let me give you a little bit of a tour. Hope the lighting is good enough this morning. I had my own hand at putting up insulation. Yay! So I pretty much went down one wall already, and the majority of the back wall. I have purchased the other insulation, and let me tell you a funny story. I put this in my car. I was able to do 3 bundles at a time, and it just keeps raining here, so I couldn't put it on the back of the pickup truck. Anyhow, I have that done. And then let me go over here and maybe I can get a kind of a close-up for you. Here is some of the wiring. The wiring had to be done before the insulation could be put up. Now, the drywall man is probably a month out, so I'm going to still just have to kind of sit and be patient. But I have thought of some projects that I want to do for the contents here. So I'll be able to stay busy still preparing. And I did show you the foam ceiling. And I painted the cross beams black. Now you're going to see the LED tube lights on the bottom of the beams. That's not how I wanted it. I wanted them on the back side, on the lower edge of them. However, when I came home, that's where they were. And my husband did stick the wires into the electricity. Don't quite understand how all that works. So anyway, and did turn those lights on. And they make this room really bright. So I'm excited about it. I'm not going to make him change them. He volunteered to change them and put them on the back like I wanted them. But it's fine. They're nice and neat. They're in the same place on each of the 3 beams. So I'm content. And again, I know this isn't very exciting stuff right here, but this is what has to be done. So I just wanted to give everybody, a look at it if you're considering doing one of these yourself. I have also purchased a utility sink for the little bathroom area and, of course, a toilet. So I'm a little bit on the go with it, and I'm happy. And I've got this plywood. I have a little bit of an area over the porch and a little bit of an area over the bathroom. So I'm going to insulate that over the porch yet, and then I'm going to lay the plywood. So we'll have a little bit of a storage area, for things that I don't need all the time. I like going to retreats, so I figured, my things that I carry for that can go up there. So anyhow, that's it. I need to go outside and find Sissy. She's poking around. And that's my newest update. So I appreciate you coming by. Come on back and keep an eye on me. And I'll be in touch about the she shed. Thanks. And if you haven't, subscribe. Bye.